Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your name on the Scatter Slots game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Scatter Slots game on your device and complete the first level, after which you will see the gear icon at the top right corner. If you tap on this button within the very first level, then you will not be able to change your name as the profile button is not unlocked yet. So complete the first level, and once you reach level 2, when you tap on the gear icon, you will see that the profile option is now also appearing green. If it still doesn't appear so, make sure that you are signed in using your Facebook account. After you see the profile icon turn green, tap on it, and now you will see your username. Go ahead and tap on it, and now you can edit your username to whatever you wish. After entering your desired name, tap on the OK button, and now your username will successfully be changed on the Scatter Slots game. And you can come back to this menu as many times as you want in order to change your name. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your username on the Scatter Slots game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.